这嘛是有像头我咧讲台湾a cultural makeup is composed of so many different things, so many different layers. Some of it is European armor, some of it is Japanese influence, some of it is more modern. It's all layered on top of each other to the point where you can't really tell where it's coming from. And I think that's the embodiment of how I feel, right? Of what it means to be Taiwanese is like there is a cultural ambiguity. Like you kind of don't know where things originate from, but you know that they're all there. Everything is there, but you just don't know where it comes from. But because it's all there, it makes it its own thing.
Well, I think this one is says that this is really, Taiwanese American thing because if in Japan there is no such thing as 就是这个基督教的就较无嘛，但是讲日本的，若是讲台湾嘛较无这种。
接收到的，
这就是一个真好的 combination。而且就是 very original Taiwanese and American culture。